Hi lovelies, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well. It is time to draw the winner for the giveaway that I did for 2,500 subscribers. So we hit it. I've left it so it's comfortable because sometimes they go up and down a little bit. So I think we're stuck at the 2.5, so that's good. So thank you everybody for watching and supporting me all the way along the way to get to this milestone. And I did do a video showing what's going to be in the giveaway, but I'll just give you a little bit of a recap and I'll tell you as we go along what I need you to do if you win. So there's one winner for each prize, and I've got 2 for the UK and 2 for international. So this is the first one I'm going to draw, so the first name we come out will get this pink one. Stand that there. So this one's got lots of things inside it. It's all packed up nicely. There's lots of gels, there's nail art stuff, there's some Bone Pretty, some Madam Glam, there's all sorts in this. If you want to see exactly what's in it, there's foils, look, stickers, all sorts. If you want to see exactly what's in it, you can go back and have another look at that video. Yeah, so that is the first one that I'm going to draw. So that's a UK one. The next one I'm going to draw, again, has got gels in. This is, this one's got wipes in, it's got polygel, it's got a little mini lamp, it's got some Bone Pretty, but it's mostly about stamping, this one. So this second prize is about stamping. So if you've not tried it before, you can give it a go. There's some fabulous Bone Pretty Magician stamping top coat in there, which you can use for lots of things. You can even hand paint with it if you want. But that's the sort of stamping and gels one. So that's that. That's the second UK one. For the international, I did 1 parcel size and 1 large letter size, just to keep the cost of postage down a little bit. But oh, I can't even open this. So this is rammed full. There's been no gels in these. These are nail art and tips and all sorts of things. There's even a couple of little fancy rings in there. So that's the UK international. So that's the first one I'm going to draw for the international prize. And then the next one for international was this one. So if you didn't enter this time, if you've missed it, don't worry, there'll be more giveaways coming up. But this one I'm not even moving them because it's taken some fitting in. So I've restricted it to a large letter, this one, but it's all nail art. There's some fabulous goodies in there. There's charms and glitters and striping tape and all sorts. So that is the second international one. So I'm going to move over to my computer and I'll let YouTube random picker pick the winner. Over at my desktop, and I've just highlighted on the screen where the video was. So it was this one. So it's 2,500 subscriber giveaway, 4 prizes, and it was open to all. So all I asked you to do was put in Enter Me UK or Enter Me International. So on YouTube, because I used to do a random picker that would show all the names up and put fireworks up and all sorts, it was great. But they started charging for them, so I'm not doing it. So this one's a little bit more basic in that it doesn't show all the names, it just shows the winner, but it does pick up all the comments from that particular video. So if I just go on to there, it's the TubeBuddy, and I click on pick a winner. So running a contest on a video, click the button below to pick a random commenter. So I'm going to do must contain the words Enter Me UK. So this is for the first one, the box in the pink. And the winner for that is Heidi Pingu. So let me write you all down. So congratulations, Heidi. So pink box. Oh wow, so spoilers, why don't you? So many goodies in all 4 boxes, going to be 4 very lucky persons. Thanks, Sue, Enter Me UK. So that's Heidi Pingle. You have won the pink box, love. Okay, so the next one is the white box. So this is another UK one. So I need to pick another winner with that Enter Me UK. So another winner is Kathy Cousins, 3353. So congratulations, Kathy. 3353. So now we're on to the international. So I'm just going to change that. So international. So that's that. Enter Me international. And this is for the brown box, the parcel size box for international, and it is Simply Adriana. So Simply Adriana. So thank you for entering and congratulations, Adriana. And then pick another winner for international, and it is Kashmir Oakley 4733. So congratulations. So that's the purple box. So Heidi Pingu, you've won this pink box. Kathy Cousins, you're going to be getting this one. Just making sure we're clear with everything. Simply Adriana is getting this one. And Kashmir Oakley is getting this one. So please contact me. Details are in the description box below, but I'll just tell you now. Please contact me via DM on Instagram or by email. So email is directmtb@gmail.com, but the details are down in the description if you can't tell what I'm saying. And yeah, get in touch with me. I won't get in touch with any winners. It's up to you to get in touch with me. Please make sure that when you do contact me that you confirm your YouTube username. And also I need your address, a telephone number and an email address for the couriers, please. And yeah, I'll give you about a week to get in touch with me, and then if any of the winners haven't contacted me in a week, I will have to redraw any of those prizes. So I'm sorry if you can hear my husband drilling in the background. But yeah, so that's the fantastic giveaway this time. And there'll be another one coming when I hit 3,000. So thank you very much. Love you loads. Please continue to comment, subscribe, like the video. And if you could share it, we can soon get to that 3,000. So thanks very much. Love you. Bye.